Your tongue was sticking to your teeth.
So what?
If she wants her tongue to stick to her teeth, she can.
That's what I just tell him to blow it.
Off your ear. Move further
blow
away.
the candles.
You're blocking the
She
picture.
can be in it.
Happy
I know.
I'm good. The broccoli.
Awkward.
What are we doing?
Get ready.
I know, really.
Get ready.
It's like,
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Desiree. Happy birthday to you. Nesta data querida, muitas felicidades, muitos anos de vida. Hoje é dia de. And right now, Desiree's just thinking, oh, I want to blow out those candles. Blow them out. Para aniversariante, uma salva de palmas. Yeah.
Oh, you're a blowhard.
Did you get your wish?
No, you're all still here.